you need your voice activation switch, which is on the steering wheel. You've got to have 20/20 vision to see the little symbols on here, but that's it there. So if I keep my thumb or finger on this button for over 2 seconds, you'll see the Siri baseball come up here. Call Barry.
Calling Barry, iPhone.
There you go. That's ringing. It's ringing my phone. You can see there.
Delete it, press 2. To listen to it, press...
It called me. So you don't have to do anything. We need to go back to Apple CarPlay. You'll see here app, click app, and then available devices, iPhone, Apple CarPlay. Please note that data is transferred over connections between your vehicle and mobile phone. Okay. Connection will be established. So that's it. Come back. It just cut off because I knocked it off there.